Ready to build a stunning demo website in minutes using the magic of AI. First, fire up Midjourney and craft your prompts. Think about the overall theme and individual sections of your site, providing detailed descriptions for the AI to interpret, such as the style, subject matter, color palette, and design elements. Generate images for your key website sections, the hero section, showcasing your brand, a services or product gallery, compelling testimonials, and of course, a contact section. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts to get the perfect visual for each element. Now choose your favorite website builder or a simple HTML editor and select a basic template. Then, it's time to upload your AI-generated images and arrange them within the chosen template. Customize the layout by adjusting image sizes, adding text overlays, and fine-tuning background colors. Make sure the website matches your vision. Add headings, subheadings, and brief descriptions to provide context and guide your visitors. And there you have it, a fully functional demo website, built incredibly fast using the power of Midjourney and a website builder. This is an easy and efficient way to bring your ideas to life and create stunning visuals for your projects. So go ahead, experiment, and share your AI-powered website mockups with the world. Let's see what amazing things you can create.